Welcome to YMCA St. Helens, to the Frugal Cooking Show. I'm Robert and we will do some cooking today. A shell-pot sandwich can cost you up to £4, but making your own one can cost you less than £1. Let's start some cooking. All that we need: spread, some kind of spread, veggies. You can use, if you have cheese or ham, you're free to you're welcome to use it. We are using whole wheat bread today for more fiber and nutrients. We are using store-bought hummus. Feel free to make some. On both sides. We need tomatoes or any veg. Arrange the vegetables. Perfect. If you have rocket or any other vegetable or any other salad or lettuce, I have spinach, a handful of spinach, and your sandwich is ready to be served. You need some plate. The sandwich is here, it looks delicious. We have a delicious sandwich and see you next time. Let's try. At YMCA St. Helens, we are here to support smarter everyday choices. Sandwich for less than £1.